Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for high-end interior design inspiration and elegant home decor solutions. Today we are exploring 10 California casual styling ideas to bring a breezy, sophisticated Easter vibe into your living space. We have curated a list that balances comfort with luxury to ensure your home feels both festive and relaxed this spring. Please remember to comment with your favorite tip, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more design insights. Organic linen layers. Soft, breathable linen textiles in oatmeal and sand tones provide the perfect foundation for a California casual Easter table. You can layer a raw edge runner over a reclaimed wood table to create an effortless sense of luxury. Natural textures invite guests to relax while maintaining a high-end aesthetic that feels curated rather than staged. This approach celebrates the beauty of imperfection and the tactile comfort of high-quality natural fibers. The ethereal eucalyptus wreath. Swap traditional bright florals for a minimalist wreath composed of seeded eucalyptus and delicate white dried flowers. This greenery offers a muted palette that complements the airy architecture often found in coastal-inspired homes. Hanging this on a light oak door or above a mantel provides a sophisticated nod to the season without overwhelming the room's balance. It stays fresh throughout the spring and adds a subtle, refreshing scent to your entryway. Hand-painted terracotta eggs. Ditch the plastic kits and opt for matte terracotta eggs painted in soft sage, dusty blue, and cream. These earthy vessels look stunning when gathered in a hand-woven seagrass bowl on a marble kitchen island. The weight and texture of the clay add an artisanal touch that resonates with the high-end, comfortable lifestyle. This DIY element brings a personalized, organic feel to your holiday vignettes. Sun-drenched breakfast nook. Transform your morning corner with plush ivory cushions and a simple ceramic vase filled with oversized blooming branches. Large windows should be left unobstructed to let the spring sun highlight the clean lines of your furniture. Adding a few woven textures through placemats or baskets keeps the space feeling grounded and approachable. This setup creates a serene environment for an intimate Easter brunch with the family. Bleached wood accents. Incorporate light-toned wood elements like paulownia bowls or blonde oak trays to maintain a bright and cohesive aesthetic. These pieces bridge the gap between rustic charm and modern luxury, serving as perfect anchors for your Easter decor. Use them to hold white chocolate treats or small potted succulents for a desert meets coast vibe. The neutral wood tones ensure your home remains peaceful and visually uncluttered. Serene sage and seafoam palette. Focus your color scheme on the muted greens and blues found along the Pacific coastline to evoke a sense of calm. These hues can be introduced through velvet throw pillows, glazed ceramic plates, or delicate glassware. When paired with crisp white walls, these colors pop just enough to signal the arrival of spring. This palette feels sophisticated and timeless, steering clear of the typical Easter neon colors. Woven grass centerpieces. Center your dining experience around artisanal woven grass baskets filled with moss and white tulips. The contrast between the rugged texture of the grass and the silky petals of the tulips is quintessentially California casual. This low-profile arrangement allows for easy conversation across the table during long holiday lunches. It is an easy way to bring the outdoors in while keeping the atmosphere refined. Sculptural stone bunnies' subtle nods to Easter can be achieved through minimalist stone or concrete rabbit sculptures placed strategically on bookshelves. Avoid cartoonish figures and instead look for clean lines and natural finishes that blend with your existing high-end decor. These small additions provide a whimsical touch that feels intentional and mature. They act as Easter eggs themselves, tucked away in your styling for guests to discover. Outdoor lounge refresh. Extend your styling to the patio with high-quality performance fabrics in light neutrals and cozy knit throws. Arrange a low coffee table with a tray of refreshments and a few sprigs of lavender to celebrate the warming weather. The transition from indoor to outdoor living is a hallmark of the California lifestyle that enhances home comfort. Creating a comfortable outdoor retreat ensures your Easter celebration feels expansive and relaxed. Minimalist floral installations instead of dense bouquets. Try a few single stems of white lilies or ranunculus in varying heights of glass bud vases. Spreading these across a mantel or dining table creates a rhythmic, airy flow that feels modern and high-end. This final touch completes your spring transformation by emphasizing light, space, and the simple beauty of nature. We hope these ideas inspire your holiday. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more home styling tips.